President Trump is refusing to directly address allegations that he avoided paying any federal income tax for years, using a series of loopholes, write-offs, and business losses to shield himself from the same type of taxes nearly all working Americans pay. The New York Times says it has documents showing President Trump paid only $750 in income tax his first year in office, that his businesses are losing money, and that he personally owes $421 million on loans made to his companies. Well, today, the Speaker of the House suggested those debts could be a threat to national security. And tonight, the president does not appear to be denying the facts in the Times report. On Twitter, he's accusing the newspaper of illegally obtaining his information and arguing his financial statements are, quote, impressive. Now, for a president who built his reputation and his presidency on the idea that he is the ultimate deal maker, these new revelations now threaten to once again upend this year's presidential campaign, and on the eve of his first debate with former Vice President Joe Biden tomorrow night. There's a lot of new reporting to get to tonight. We've got a team of correspondents covering all of the news. CBS's Ben Tracy is going to lead off our coverage tonight at the White House. Good evening, Ben.
Nora, good evening. You know, President Trump is the first president since Richard Nixon not to release his tax returns. And when these revelations came out, he first called them fake news. Now he's trying to justify how he's handled his taxes.
Tonight, President Trump is not answering questions about tax records he's long tried to conceal. In a bombshell report, the New York Times obtained tax return data covering more than 2 decades. It shows President Trump paid just $750 in federal income tax in 2016 and 2017, the same amount a single adult making about $18,000 would owe. And in 10 of the 15 years before that, he paid nothing because his businesses lost so much money. The Biden campaign turned the tax revelations into an ad showing what average Americans pay. The Times report contradicts Mr. Trump's billionaire business guru image.
They paid me $213 million.
Many of his businesses, including golf courses and hotels, report losing large amounts of money. The president also used tax deductions to fund his lavish lifestyle, writing off expenses for housing, aircraft,
You're fired.
and even $70,000 in hairstyling for his TV appearances.
It's totally fake news, made up, fake.
On Sunday, the president denied the report. Today, he defended his use of depreciation and tax credits in a pair of tweets. Mr. Trump has long claimed there's nothing to hide in his tax returns while refusing to release them.
I look forward to releasing that. I look forward to releasing many things. I'm going to release many things, and people will be really shocked.
The documents obtained by the Times show the IRS is auditing a questionable $73 million tax refund the president claimed and could now be forced to pay back with interest. The records also show Mr. Trump took in $73 million from foreign deals during his first 2 years in office and is now facing hundreds of millions of dollars in loans coming due.
This president appears to have over $400 million in debt, 420, whatever it is, million dollars in debt. To whom? Different countries? What is the leverage they have? So for me, this is a national security question.
And Ben joins us now from the White House. So what do these documents reveal about Ivanka Trump's role in the family business?
Well, Nora, according to the New York Times, these tax documents suggest that Ivanka Trump was paid $750,000 in unspecified consulting fees while she was an employee of the Trump Organization. Now, those payments could have helped the family reduce its overall tax bill.
All right, Ben Tracy, thank you.